What is KapitBahay? KapitBahay is a Windows desktop application software intended for automating all the transaction of a typical Filipino-style homeowner association. The data is secure and highly accessible because it is stored in a cloud database. A small amount of monthly subscription fee is collected for the maintenance. What KapitBahay can do? 1. It allows user to set the preferences data, such as name of association, rates and minimum amount, monthly recurring dues and fees, officers' incentive amount, and other agreed fees of the association. 2. It keeps track of all basic information and history of the homeowners and tenants. 3. It generates bills for all monthly recurring dues and fees, and officers' incentives for all active homeowners. 4. It generates billing statement and statement of account for all units into a file for printing purposes, or display on the monitor screen for viewing. 5. It sends billing statement and memorandum email to all active homeowners. 6. It records all the payment made by the homeowners. 7. It records all expenses and income of the association, and generates financial report in a specific period of choice. KapitBahay optional transaction to choose. Membership fee. This is a one-time non-refundable membership fee for every new owner of the property. This will go to the association reserve fund. Some homeowner associations agreed on a fixed amount for the membership fee. Others based the amount on per square meter of property area. Monthly dues. This is intended for ensuring security and order of the community, including maintenance of street lights, CCTV, roads, gutters, sidewalks, drainage, wastewater treatment lagoon, trees trimming, common swimming pool, covered court, function rooms, elevators, and other expenses that include office supplies and equipment. Security agency services, software subscription fee to keep track and maintain all the billings, expenses, and financial records of the association. Some homeowner associations agreed on a fixed amount for the monthly dues. Others based the amount on per square meter of property area. Water rate, water minimum fee, water connection fee. These fees and rate are needed if the association has their own water system, like deep well and water tank, or resell to the homeowner the water supplied by the local water utility. The amount will be similar or at least near to the rate of water utility in the area. The minimum fee is an agreed fixed amount to be collected if ever the actual consumption is lesser than this amount. The connection fee is an agreed one-time amount to be collected to cover the expenses of implementing the connection, such as the water meter device and the plumbing works. Electricity rate, electricity minimum fee, electricity connection fee. These fees and rate are needed if the association has their own standby backup power generator, or resell to the homeowner the electricity supplied by the local power utility. Nowadays, a so-called multi-tariff kilowatt-hour metering device already existed. This metering device can monitor and read separately both normal power, which is coming from the local power utility company, and emergency power, which is generated by the association-owned power generator. Thus, it gives the association an opportunity to bill the homeowners separately with the generated power of the standby generator during power outage. The rate will be similar, or at least near to the rate of power utility in the area. The minimum fee is an agreed fixed amount to be collected if ever the actual consumption is lesser than this amount. The connection fee is an agreed one-time amount to be collected to cover the expenses of implementing the connection, such as the electricity meter device and the electrical works. New tenant fee. This fee is collected from a homeowner whose property is generating an income through tenant rentals, like Airbnb, Agada, Booking.com, Homestay, and the like. This one-time fee is collected for every new tenant. Some homeowner associations based the new tenant fee on a percentage of rental amount. Others based the amount on per square meter of property area. Monthly parking fee. There are subdivisions utilize some parts of the road as fee parking areas. For homeowner whose own parking area can no longer accommodate their number of vehicles, the monthly rate is collected per vehicle. Other fees. This is intended if the association has other agreed fee that is not mentioned above. Other features of KapitBahay. Aside from regular fees and dues collected from the homeowner, KapitBahay can keep a comprehensive record of all other income of the association, such as donations, scrap sales, penalties from homeowner violations, bank interest. KapitBahay can also keep a comprehensive record of all the expenses of the association, such as monthly electricity, water, communication, internet, and cable TV bill payment, monthly security agency services payment, monthly KapitBahay software subscription payment, other bills payment, purchases of equipment, goods, supplies, and maintenance items, services payment for maintenance, repair, and construction, taxes, permits, and other government fees, officers' monthly incentive, monthly salary of employees, discounts given. All these other income and expenses can be recorded into the cloud database and can be generated into a comprehensive report on a specific period of choice.